Retail management. Before starting the concept retail management, let us have some idea related to terms market, retail, retailing, and retailer. What is this market? Market is nothing but a place where we get a goods. That is a place where the parties exchange goods and services. There are two parties, one is buyer and seller. So, if we need a product, where we go? We go to a market. ನಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ? ಇಫ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಎನಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ವೆರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Now, what is this retail or retailing? Retail is nothing but a sale of goods to the public relatively in a small quantity for the use of a consumers. Use of a consumer. As you know, the channels of distribution, in channels of distribution from the production unit till it reaches a final consumer, there are different channels such as wholesaler. From this manufacturer, it passes through wholesalers, and from wholesaler, it passes through a retailer. From a wholesaler to a retailer, the retailer purchases in a larger quantity and retailer gives it to a final consumer in a smaller quantity. As per the customer's needs, the retailer retailer says the product. As per the consumer's needs, as per the customer's need, retailer says the product for a consumer. So retailer is a place where goods are sold. Place where goods are sold. So retailer is a place where goods are So, retailer is the person who purchases a product in a larger quantity and sell it to a final consumer So, that is retailing. That is that may be a shops, that may be a door-to-door service, that may be a online service which is provided now on this new modern technologies. So everywhere what happens, the customer is getting a product, that is called as retailer. As per the retail management, the structure of retail management as per the Indian structure, they are divided into two: traditional retail and modern retail. Traditional retail is nothing but, in before it, there used to be a small shops like kirana shops, it may be, or a footwear shops, or a apparel shop. If we need a cloth, where we go to a clothes store. If we need a pen or pencil or anything, we go to a stationery. All these are the retail market. In the same way, in a tradition, has nowadays there is an inclusion of big shops like Big Bazaar. Big Bazaar is a place where we get all type of product. The demand of a customer varies on from one customer to another customer. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿದು ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಿದೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ಅ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ದೆರ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಶಾಪ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ವೆರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಟೇಲ್. Modern retail is nothing but due to change in the lifestyle of the people, due to change in the demand of our customers. So all this changes made to develop a retail shops in a higher way or using higher technology. Modern retail only, we if you see examples, modern retail only, if you see examples like Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Rayon shop, store shop, Trends, Reliance, Pantaloons, all these are the modern retail shops where we get a product as per the demand of a customer, as per the standard of living of a customer, as the lifestyle of the customer is changing day by day, the product demand also is changing day by day. So modern retail store is nothing but modernized way in which the product are sold. Modern retail is nothing but the modernized way in which the retail products are sold. So, if for example, if we need a mobile, what we do as a customer, we have to go to a shop. In the shops, what we will do, we will say about our needs or our as per our needs, the retailer will provide us a mobile. While providing a mobile, what does retailer do? He will give all the information regarding to that product. He will say about the features of that product.